Hi everyone, this is K-Style. My name is In-young. If you're interested in learning Korean language and culture, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so that you don't miss anything. So today I'm gonna talk about how you can keep your Korean study schedule effectively. Just to give you some context, last week I made a video about how long it takes to learn Korean. And I touched on having goals and different categories that determine how long it takes to learn Korean. And I also mentioned that you need to have some frequency of learning the language rather than having a long hours of study time at one sitting. So today I will expand the topic from having frequency of studying Korean and explain more details about how you can keep your Korean study schedule effectively in your daily life. This is gonna help you to build your momentum and achieve your goals in the future. The list I'll be presenting to you in this video is based on different activities that will fit into your daily schedule. So just to remind you that this is just an example, so you need to make it your own to fit into your lifestyle. So I'm gonna break it into 3 different categories based on daily activities and explain how you can associate them to your learning types. These examples may not be relevant to you, so feel free to take a pause the video at any time needed and write down the list of the things that you do daily. First one is activity that you do while doing something else. And second one is the activity that you do while your eyes are fixed. Third one is the activity while sitting down with full engagement. Now let's talk about the first activity that you do while doing something else. How many times you go for a walk every week or daily? Can you use those time and make them useful for learning Korean? Since your body is active, you can still listen to something with earphones. You can listen to Korean news, Korean podcasts, or Korean YouTube channel. Or you can actually try to make sentences in your head, even record your voice while walking. You can still learn Korean while having grocery shopping, driving, or mowing the lawn. You can figure out which activity you do daily or weekly and convert those time into useful Korean learning time. And this strategy is great is because those locations will remind you and trigger your brain that, oh, it's time to learn Korean. That's why I try to make this habit so that it comes very naturally. And second one is things you do while your eyes are fixed. Obviously, this is not like the first category, going to a grocery store or whatnot. In this case, you may be doing laundry, running on a treadmill, or sitting on a couch. During these times, you can still practice Korean while watching Korean movies, dramas, Korean YouTube channel, or going through flashcards. This is truly what I used to do in school. I wrote down flashcards with meaning and definition and literally playing the flashcards while on a treadmill. I have mentioned this app in other videos. I'm not sponsored by this. Quizlet was the app that I used most while I was in school. Hopefully that helps you out as well. Third one is the activities you need to sit down. And actually during this time you can study Korean with full engagement. This time will be better spent if you're actually writing something instead of going through flashcards, which you can already do for the second category. During these times, you may actually write a journal, going through language books, or chatting with people on the internet to practice your Korean sentences. Like I mentioned earlier, these examples may not be relevant to your lifestyle, but purpose of this video is to remind you that you need to be aware of your daily activities and how you can leverage those free times to make it into a more effective Korean learning. I hope you enjoyed this video today. If you did, make sure to give it a like and share this video with your friends and families. And comment down below on what you're gonna do today to improve your daily schedule and make your Korean study more effective. If you have any questions, always leave them in the comment section, and I see you guys next time. Bye bye.